Now to new details out of a Norfolk courtroom after a bond hearing this morning for Tyli Scott.
Now, he's the man accused of killing a woman and then taking her son last week, which the judge confirmed today is their child. Germyah Batey was in the courtroom today and joins us with what she has learned. Hey, Germyah.
Hey there, Eugene, Ashley. That's right. The judge decided not to release Tyli Scott on bond, calling him a flight risk and a danger to himself and the community. The Commonwealth says the violence he's accused of in this case is too concerning to ignore. 27-year-old Tyli Scott was in court Monday morning on charges for shooting and killing 28-year-old Alexis Foreman and then taking off with their 4-year-old son, Kai Foreman. Authorities say he was later found unharmed in Virginia Beach after Virginia State Police issued an Amber Alert. The Commonwealth says Foreman was found dead June 16th, shot in the head. Prosecutors say she and Scott had been arguing before the shooting and confirmed the 4-year-old boy was their son. Scott is charged with second-degree murder and use of a firearm and the commission of a felony in that case. Today, Scott's attorney told the court he has minimal criminal history and said there were pretrial recommendations to allow his release. But those with the Norfolk Commonwealth's Attorney's Office pushed back, pointing to the accusations Scott faced with the violent nature of the crime and abducting the child and his prior legal history with women. Court documents show this isn't Scott's first run-in with the law. In 2018, a woman filed a criminal complaint against him. In 2020 and 2021, records showed two separate emergency protective orders were filed. One by a woman trying to keep Scott away from her and her son. In another case, a woman who lived with Scott claimed he assaulted, threatened, and robbed her. Now, several prior charges have been reinstated, and Scott is scheduled to have two separate preliminary hearings in September. Hey there, yes, Tyli Scott is due back in court on September 3rd on these current charges. He's also facing newly reinstated charges in connection to a second victim. He'll be back in court the following week. We'll continue to follow the latest development on this case and bring them to you. Reporting live in Norfolk, Germyah Batey, 13 News Now.